3, 2, 1. The official poster of Avenues of the Diamond. Our stars, Obi Garan and Lance Carr. Now it's time for a short photo op with the stars. Love seeing that, love seeing that. Thank you, Lance and Aubrey. Okay. Makaupo na po ulit kayo. And now it's time for the much-awaited Q&A session. Gawin po sa KOLs natin, members of the press, sa lahat ng mga nagsibunda. Thank you guys so much, no? One more time, big round of applause for our Univercada! All under one roof, bago na yung simula ng Q&A natin. Oh. Now it's time to experience them, and now it's time to better get to know them along with their 2 cents worth, di ba? Kung ano yung mga naging karanasan nila and experiences nila in making some of these episodes so far. Now, it's time for us all to experience their insights into the series. To our dear press and media friends, a gentle reminder lang po to ask relevant questions only. Strictly avoid any sensitive or personal questions. Please remain respectful sa casts at the creators natin. Only series-related questions will be entertained. Take note, 1 question for each media member. Maliwanag? Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo, guys? Yes? No? Maybe? Ayun naman pala. I sure hope so, ladies and gents, no? Kasi sisimulan na natin. It's time to get this one in store. Pero bago lahat, is everybody still thrilled? Is everybody still with me? Is everybody still excited? Palakpakan naman dyan! Viva? Viva? O sige, makakapagsimula na tayo. First up, ay si Erwin Ogawa ng Anong Ganap.
Hello guys! Hello, I'm here. So, congrats sa new series. So, first question kay Obi and Lance. How does it feel to be the main stars of the latest university series? And tell us something about your roles. Microphone.
Yeah. Okay, let's just give them a few moments to get our stars some mics. Yeah. Siglit lang po. As we do our best, yeah. To get them their mics, pero mas marinig din naman ang lubusan, di ba? Yung mga sa loobin nila. Alright. Where are the Marvin fans? Marvin fans, make some noise. How about Hi Gab? And hindi silang lahat. Chris Rome. And Landry. Alam mo, nandito yung Landry fans, no? And the rest of them are here too, just the same. We appreciate everybody at huwag kakaligtaan na i-stream kami dito sa Viva 1. Alright. Oh. Will Bea, mag-ingat! Okay, lahat ng love teams natin may fans dito. So, babalik ko po ang floor kay Erwin Ogawa.
Okay, take yours. So again, for Obi and Lance, how does it feel to be the main stars of the latest university series, and tell us about your roles?
Well, in my case, it's all very new to me. Having my first partner, the first love team, having my first lead role, it's very new, and I'm really glad that Direct is guiding me all throughout the process, and yung production, the staff, the bosses, they've been guiding me through the process of everything. And to give you a brief description of my character, Clyden is very antipatico, as you would say, very mysterious, very smart as well. And yun lang muna.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming sa media fun namin. Thank you for making time. I'm really grateful. I'm blessed po to be part of this. And ngayon, isa na ako sa lead actors sa series na to. I'm really grateful po sa Viva, of course, to my bosses, kina Boss Vic, Boss Val, Boss Vernick, Boss Vincent, to everyone. Dahil binigyan po nila ako ng ganitong opportunity. Tagal-tagal ko rin pong hinintay na magkaroon ng ganitong chance sa show business, and eto na yun. So, ayun, nape-pressure po ako, pero mas nangingibabaw yung pagiging thankful ko for being part of this, for being the lead role naman. And yung character ko, si Sam, she's the social butterfly of the barkada. She's an extrovert, she likes to party, you know, to hang out with her friends. She's a model here. And I think yun pala yung mabibigay ko. Thank you.
Thank you. Congrats in advance.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yung po si Erwin Ogawa ng Anong Ganap. Next up, it's Ambet Nabus ng Marites University.
Hello, isang question lang talaga. Good afternoon and congratulations sa inyong lahat. Kay Direct Gino na lang, kasi since this is the fourth installment of the Unibarkada series, ano yung mga bagong challenges na kinaharap mo kasi yung na pinagsama-sama sila lahat?
Bagong challenges. You know, I did the second book, no, yung Safe Skies Archer, and this is the fourth one already. You know, what I can say na they all are in the same world, but this one's very special and different as well. Kasi we deal with a lot of issues here. Finding yourself, technically, yung role kasi ni Aubrey dito, hindi pa alam kung anong gusto niyo gawin. Kung nabasa niyo yung book, no, ganun yung challenges ni Aubrey dito na as Sam. And of course, daming issues ita-tackle here. If you guys know, you know. But of course, Abby's going to do that role very well. And ako, I'm just keeping the set really light and really fun, just because ano na sila eh, merged na silang lahat. And it's just a positive, environment. And I'm really thankful na okay kami lahat, na nag-jive lahat ng cast namin. Kasi you really see the friendship in and out of the camera. So, yun. Parang wala namang masyadong challenges, but I guess we're just staying faithful with the book. I think that's what all the fans want, no? And what I want too. But also parang, syempre, every season, pinapush pa namin to make it bigger and better. So hopefully, this one will exceed the expectations. Thank you.
Pahabol na lang isa. Kumusta naman si Claudine Andrews, mga Bobby Andrews or Claudine Barreto?
It's my first time working with them. They are lovely. Si Clau, of course, that's Miss Claudine Barreto. I'm so honored to be directing her, and she's just so sweet. She's so sweet on set. And you know, it's a little bit intimidating for all of us at first kasi Miss Claudine Barreto yan eh. And I think Aubrey should answer this because first day, her scene was with Miss Claudine Barreto. How was your experience?
Umiyak po. Umiyak po ako sa takot. Pero before naman po, we had a scene together. I'm okay. Like, I'm doing a pretty good job naman. Like, konti. Ganon. Pero nung kasama ko na si Miss Claudine, like, dinner scene namin with Sir Bobby Andrews, napapanik na po ako inside. Kasi, hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na, oh my gosh, cover ko si Miss Claudine, cover ko si Sir Bobby Andrews. Tapos, sila pa yung parents ko dito, tapos I'm the lead role. Parang nagpatong-patong na po yung pressure, everything, excitement, lahat-lahat. So, I mean, that time, like, I can't act well talaga. So, direct parang, okay, again, and it was so like, nahihiya na po talaga kay Miss Claudine. Pero they were so nice, like, sobrang patient nila sa akin. Pero that time, nung nilabas na ako ni Direk, para kausapin ako, sabi niya, how do you feel? Sabi ko, I'm nervous, as umiyak na lang ako. As, ano lang po talaga, siguro pressure lang, kasi malaking project po to sa akin, and yung parents ko pa dito, like sina Miss Claudine and Sir Bobby, so mas dun lang talaga na pumasok sa akin na, oh, this is it na talaga. Like, different na to from other projects na nagawa ko. But I'm really, really grateful for that experience, dahil kahit paano na-feel ko siya.
Congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Ambet Nabus of Marites University. Next up, it's Kate Adahar ng Random Republica.
Thank you. for the other love teams, very briefly, ano yung magiging status ng characters nyo dito? Ano yung mga pagdadaan?
Kami, Asuna and Calix, maghihiwalay kami dito. So, ayaw namin makita yung isa't isa. Ganon.
Pero of course, dun sa show, kahit pinapamukha ni Direk Gino na hindi ko siya hinahanap, syempre yung character ko, hinahanap ko.
For Elise and Savi, I think it's like a little bit before they met, and then a little bit during yung ligawan stage nila, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because 5 years ago yun eh. I remember we did a scene yesterday. So parang nililigawan ko pa lang si Elise noon. Tapos, yun. Pero syempre magiging current, and then, yun na.
Diba? Hindi, sa amin kasi, yung parang napapansin nyo, kung hindi pa nagsastart yung book, parang hindi nila pinagtatagpo. Not until talagang book nyo na yung gagawin. So parang sa amin, so far, pabitin na. I don't know if this time, siguro kasi kung group of friends lalabas, makakasama. Pero most of the time, hindi naman nila pinagtatagpo. So far, medyo wala pa yung sana. Di ba?
Oo.
Sa amin naman, kay Hero at kay Yana, as far as I remember, nasa out of the country yata si Hero. Tapos, dahil madaming timeline ang itatagal dito for sure, every book naman may mga timelines. Andun yung si Hero nasa nag-aaral, meron din yung, I hope, dito na yung ikakasal. Yung pagtataguan, I guess. Ayun, na isa ka sa si Sam ang mga culprit kung bakit nawawala pala talaga yung ano. And kay Yana, as usual, nandiyan siya lagi. Kung paano si Sam kay Yana nung Safe Skies Archer, I guess, ganun din si Yana.
And Abby.
Yeah, and Abby. Kasi best friends kami dito ni Sam. So, ninang siya nung maging anak ko, tutulungan niya ako sa pagtatago and everything. Like, siya talaga yung tumayong ama at the moment. Ina at ama pag wala ako, kaya wala si Hero. So, yung support na binigay niya sa akin nung book 2, yun naman yung ipapakita ko, yung support ko sa kanya sa book niya.
Konti lang yung dating days. Parang puro inuman nata yung puro inuman. So, yun.
Hello, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. I think ang maganda kasi dito sa University Series, sa bawat libro, magkaka-merge talaga. So every season, may iba-ibang timeline, and each timeline natatackle yung bawat challenges ng bawat character. So I think kahit ang focus dito, mas makikilala natin si Sam at si Clyden, meron pa rin pasulpot-sulpot ng mga challenges ng mga Univercata. Ayun. Thank you po.
Alright, well said. Okay, so moving on now, that was Kate Adahar ng Random Republica. We have Angelica Villanueva of Manila Standard up next.
Hello, congratulations, Aubrey and Lance. One question and simple. Earlier you mentioned that opposite attracts. Do you believe that opposite attracts?
I do believe in opposites attracts. At the end of the day, as long as you guys know how to work out your relationship, or you guys coexist, not on like particular things, but on the main goal of your relationship, then yeah, I guess opposites do attract.
For me, I'm not sure about that. Opposite talaga kami. Hindi, syempre. I'm not sure kasi, well, hindi pa naman ako nagkaka-love life. Pero for me kasi, better if like, you're same, you know, same, ganito, ganyan, you're not totally opposites. Yeah. Para ma-attract ka sa isang tao. For me lang ha, parang na-feel ko na, oh, if we're the same on this, ganito, ganyan, ganitong trip, ganyan, doon ako na-attract. Yeah. Pero we'll see. Joke.
With that, sorry, mahabang question. So far, what have you learned with ano yung mga nalaman niyo sa isa't isa? Thank you.
Actually, a lot. I mean, it's too many to mention, but like, at the top of my head, what I learned about Aubrey is really how to make her comfortable talaga. Because, as we all know, in this book, there are going to be some intimate scenes and the likes. So I'm just really doing my best to make sure that she's comfy with me. Kasi, yun nga, never pa siya nagka-love life, never pa siya nagka-boyfriend. And ako, I had those experiences already. So I'm just really trying my best to make sure that she's comfy with me.
Ako naman, siguro natutunan ko sa kanya. Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na valid yung feelings ko. Hindi kasi ako yung tao na, Hindi ako yung tao na, well, kakashare ko lang to with you guys. Hindi ako ma-share with my problems, with anything, with my feelings. Kasi nahihiya ako. Nahihiya ako na, kunwari sa problems ko, I don't want to be a burden, you know, to my friends. Ano pa, like, alam ko kasi, parang gusto ko lang kasi magbigay lagi ng happiness to everyone. Kahit na I'm struggling, I'm always smiling, I'm always laughing, pero I'm really struggling. Ayun, so natutunan ko na parang valid yung feelings ko, lahat ay pwede kong sabihin sa kanya, if I'm mad at him, naiinis ako, ganun, valid yun, tinatanggap niya yun. Ayun, yun na.
Thank you, Angelica Valenzuela of Manila Standard. Up next is Dolly Ann Carvajal ng Philstar.
My question for the girls, since the series is about arranged marriage, anong dream marriage proposal niyo?
Paparinig na.
Just for fun.
Krisha mo first.
I've never really thought about that before. Paano mo magagawin? Hindi ko alam. Wala akong ano. Nalamig siya. Sabi, uy, lumig yung kape. Joke lang yun, guys. Hindi ko alam. Kasi, I've never really thought about it. Pero siguro, something na alam ko na in-important ng isang tao, nung mapropose sa akin. Like something that bakit ang hirap ng question? Sige. Siguro sa mga dream destinations ko, ganun. Like Switzerland or Iceland, yeah, ganun. Yun, tas bahala na siya, like, ayokong sabihin kasi malalaman na niya. There's something like that. Basta genuine and alam kong pinagplanuhan and talagang detail by detail, talagang yung mapapa-oo ka talaga. Ako po, syempre, something intimate and sincere. Nararamdam mo talaga yung sincerity ng tao. And for me, it's not about the grandness, pero siguro iba pa rin yung feeling kapag pinag-effortan. And that feels intimate and sincere. I think yun yung pinaka-importante, Tita Dolly, na ramdam mo talaga yung gustong sabihin nung thank you po.
Ako po, hindi po
ayoko masyado ng malaki. Parehas sa kami ni Bea. I feel like there's never really a dream proposal. It's more of, you'll feel it kung nasa tamang tao, I guess. So, ayun po pala ayun po. So, I don't really have a dream role. Maybe, sana may dream partner, tapos mafe-feel mo na lang eventually kung nasa tama. Kahit simpleng lugar, kayong dalawa lang or hindi, yun lang.
Wait, how do I answer this? I mean, I guess either in a place that is intimate and means a lot to me and whoever, you know, I end up being with. But I do remember, I was such a hopeless romantic as a little girl, and I would daydream all the time about this stuff. And I remember around in like middle school, I told my best friend, you know, in the future when I meet my future husband or whatever partner, make sure that they know that I want to be proposed in like somewhere where, like, we could travel somewhere nice, you know? It's one of my dream destinations then. And then I would love it to be with nature, for example, maybe some beach, and then I would like a beautiful sunset and stuff like that. But yeah, basta, it means something, it's intimate, it's genuine, it's not just very materialistic.
Mahal, ikwento mo na sa kanila, paano?
Propose na?
Charot lang. Pero...
Play VTR.
Decision. Ako, anywhere naman. Kahit nga sa tapat ng Thai restaurant, okay lang. Pero, hindi natin ibigay ni Mark yung mic. Pero, dream.
Ganito kasi yan. May nangyari kasi kaya na-mention niya sa Thai restaurant. Just trust me, man. Trust me. So ganito yung nangyari. Bale, diba, there was this one night na kumakain lang kami sa Thai restaurant sa Makati. And then, nag-usap lang kami after gym, after boxing. Tapos, nag-usap lang kami. Tapos sabi ko, mahal, paano kapag hindi ako yumaman? Paano kapag hindi kita kayang suportahan naman? Paano kapag hindi matutupad yung mga pangarap natin? Kung sakto lang yung kita ko at hindi ko makuha yung magandang ring or basta magandang sing-sing, kahit ganito ba i-accept mo? Tapos kinuha ko yung banana leaf doon sa Thai food. Tapos tinay ko, sabi ko, tatanggapin mo ba to for the meantime? Tapos isusunod ko na lang ba? Sabi niya, ang sabi mo?
Oo.
So yun, doon ko nalaman na siya na pala.
Ang hirap sundan. Hindi ako, siguro same with Haya, specific na lang. Dream ko talaga kasi gusto ko yung mga overlooking view. So, parang kung if ever doon man, sana doon. Kasi, unexpected eh. Kunwari, pumunta ka sa overlooking view, hindi mo naman expect na magpo-propose yung isang tao doon. So, ayun. Yung pala, dream lang naman siya, pero baka magbago in the future. Thank you.
Akin siguro something genuine, intimate, and sincere. And, ayun, yun to. Very straightforward. Yun lang.
Thank you. That was Dolly Ann Carvajal with her question from Philstar. Next up, we have Paolo Caniamo, isang TikTok content creator.
Hi guys, congratulations.
So my question is for Aubrey and Lance, of course. Since alam naman natin na this is the 4th book already, di ba? And we have different timeline, ganyan. So the question is, do you believe now is the perfect time for you guys to launch?
I believe so, because the last how many years, 3 to 4 years, have been pretty rough for me as an actor. Aubrey, last 16 years, so ang tagal naming inantay ito, and I think this is really the perfect time because yung hunger namin to prove everybody, to prove to everyone na kaya namin gawin to is there, and it's never gonna go away. That's all. Thank you.
Same. Like I can say now, this is the perfect timing. Kasi we've waited talaga for so long for this kind of opportunity. And ayun, I mean, sa workshops, nasasabi namin, we have the same goals, that we want this. We really want this. And itong timing na to, for us, it's perfect kasi tagal nga namin naghintay, and hindi naman to siguro i-bless sa amin ni Lord kung hindi ito yung perfect para sa amin. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pao Camiano. We have Ana Cerezo of ABS-CBN.
Hi, congratulations. Thank you. For direct, i-rate mo naman itong ating mga bagong leads. Out of 10, ano ba ang big factor for you sa mga eksena? On-set and off-set?
Daming magagalit. But, on-set muna, sige. Since very fresh pa yung shoot namin, but we've been shooting a lot of kilig scenes, no? Hindi pa chapter 19, no? Wala pa yun. If you know, you know. Pero, ano pa, I think a good 7.5 to 8. And that's pretty high. Because ano pa yan eh, yun yung stage na cat and dog pa sila sa Ligaya House. But again, we will evolve to a 10. But hopefully, off-screen we go to an 11. But I'm happy that sila yung na-pair because you know they really have chemistry sa screen, no? And it's so nice to see them that they're helping each other, and that's what a good love team is. When they help each other, when they communicate, and also when nagpaparamdam sila na yung vulnerability nila, that's very important. I've been working with a lot of love teams, and I could say that, you know, this one is very strong, and I could see it. So I'm very excited na makita niyo yung episodes, no? Para makita niyo yung pagkakilig, and with also the other Univergada. So yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ana Cerezo from ABS-CBN. Next up, we have Richard Paglicawan ng Lionheart TV.
Hello, good afternoon. Ayun. Ang question na to para sa mga pairs natin. Kasi curious lang ako kung paano nag-work yung isang Gen Z love team. Kasi dami na namin nakilala mga love teams from the past hanggang ngayon. So ngayon bilang mga launch na love teams, paano ba nag-work yung isang Gen Z love team? And paano kayo nag-draw ng line between from real to real?
Parang Gen X naman.
Basta yung bago, yung ngayon.
Parang Gen X naman. Hindi naman Gen Z. Hindi rin.
Okay. Ba't pa nagpapatala sa akin, Wilbur? Siguro, it's about being collaborative with each other. As long as being professional in terms of work, na kung trabaho, kailangan talaga collaborative kayo. Kailangan kung ano yung kailangan ng eksena, ibibigay ninyo. Kung ano yung kailangan ninyo pag nasa harap kayo ng mga tao, yun din yung ibibigay ninyo. Kasi yun nga, di ba, parang hindi naman tulad dati na kapag nakakatuluyan. Ang dami rin ng mga love teams ever since na love teams lang. They never talaga nagkatuluyan sa personal lives nila, no? But I think it's just being professional and just being collaborative with each other. And just knowing the boundaries na ito work, ito friend, ito personal life, no? Kailangan alam mo yung difference between your personal life and your work. Diba? And also, the people should know it na pag ito trabaho, ito personal life. Para mas ma-enjoy natin yung pagtatrabaho, mas ma-enjoy natin yung, you know, working with each other, yung pagiging collaborative ng isa't isa. So, siguro ganun din. So, paano mo nadi-describe yung partnership ninyo? Kami ni Nicole very professional. She's really collaborative. Like kanina, before we do the runway thing, pinag-uusapan talaga namin what we should do, diba, to at least look good and give the people, diba, what they want, no, the work that we need to do. So, you know, just being professional.
Sorry. To add lang, I feel like sobrang swerte din po namin kasi ang mga nakasama namin for the whole cast is barkada kasi talaga. We created this friendship where it's such a safe place. And iba-iba yung edad namin. So we both share what we think would be okay on stage, or kumbaga kapag nag-acting kami or on set. It's very nice na naging magkaibigan kami and we keep that bond. And yun yung nakakatulong din when you're comfortable with your partner. It helps a lot with doing a scene. So, yun lang po talaga. With me and Jai kasi it's very collaborative. We really talk about what will work. And I'm grateful na very napaka-giving niyang actor. So, ayun po, for Shakira. Shakira! Yes.
Thank you, Richard Bagligawan. Up next, it's Ana Bingol ng Pika Pika at Abante.
Everyone yata, the question's for everyone, right?
Thank you.
Sa amin naman, katulad ng sabi ko the last time, it's us, just being us individually. Then, there you go. Yun na yun, nabubuo yung work, the teamwork, the love team as a couple, and everything. Tapos, we get to share everything na alam namin na hindi lang basta nakakatulong. Kumbaga, yung gusto mo, katulad nga ng sinasabi nila, hindi mo sinishare yung bagay na to para mag-benefit siya or mag-benefit ka. Sinishare mo to kasi siya yung taong gusto mong i-share lang. Alam mo, sometimes it's nonsense na mag-share, pero masaya minsan na ikaw pala yung pinipili ng tao para mag-share.
Yeah, okay naman. Nag-uusap naman kasi kami about boundaries. Also, before we did everything, nagkaroon kami ng intimacy workshop. It's for everyone naman. So that we know kung ano yung comfortable for each other and para, maging safe space namin yung isa't isa. So until now, we practice that.
About po sa love team na Gen Z. Ano po, nagti-TikTok po. Every usual na Gen Z, di ba? I mean, yun yung ginagawa ngayon ng mga love team. Nagti-TikTok.
Siguro po yung paano ma-differentiate yung love teams ngayon sa dati. Yun, mas maraming ways para mag-promote ngayon kesa nung araw. And siguro, kung like, para sa akin ang love team ngayon, magandang bagay kasi yung mga fans mas open-minded, yung mga supporters mas open-minded. So really, kumbaga, they respect you, they respect your craft, they respect your work, but at the same time, they respect you with your private or like your personal life and you as a person. And I think that's very nice and maganda yun na i-apply din kahit sa love teams. Kasi as long as you're being professional, you don't have to pretend, you don't have to make paasa, you don't have to, alam yun, hindi mo kailangan mag-promote lang, maging sweet for promotion because ang mas maganda yung raw eh. What you give is the real you, diba? So, as long as professional kayo, tulungan kayong dalawa, and okay naman yun, as long as you respect also each other's boundaries. Kasi gusto natin, masaya tayo sa trabaho natin, pero dapat masaya din tayo sa personal life natin.
Hindi naman sundan yung idea. Pero ano naman, for me and Haya, as long as, you know, we're being there for each other, and yun nga sabi ni Jai, being collaborative, and just having good energy on the set, like to work with her all the time. And I know that's the most important thing with her, is just the energy, and we built this special friendship na ongoing sa set, and then now that we're doing a new show, just being, you know, professional. Like what Jai said, like the boundaries that we have to each other, but at the same time, yun, yung napapasaya din namin yung fans from work, kasi that's important, of course. Pero the most important thing is just being there for each other.
I personally feel like I have nothing to add on because I agree with everything that everyone said, but I don't know, with what Gab said, with what Gab said, like, I agree. I really appreciate our partnership, and I truly do cherish it. So yeah, it's very special to me.
Marco Heaven.
Siguro sa amin dalawa naman during the rain in Espanya. And lagi ko sinasabi, actually, kinilagam, kung sino yung kinila Krisha, and then ngayon kay Oms. Now we started as, you know, friends, and ano kami, teamwork talaga. So, yun din naman yung sinasabi ko sa kanila noon, na teamwork. And then, nung naging ano naman kami, partners na talaga in life. Hindi naman dahil sa project. So, we had to make sure na hindi kami na in love dahil sa characters namin. Alam mo yun? Nagustuhan namin yung isa dahil gusto namin yung isa't isa. Dahil pinipili namin yung isa't isa. And I don't think, like, you know, for me, I don't think na masamang ma-in love. Bakit masamang ma-in love dito sa gwapo na to? So, ang akin is, you know, love is for everyone. Love is free. Love is freedom. So, yeah, enjoy life.
Plus, I mean, I guess you can't really control it. So, yeah. It just happens. Let it be. Let it happen, Lance. Aubrey, let it free. Huwag mong pigilan, hayaan mo lang lumaan.
Okay, so in my case, since, like I said earlier, everything is new to me. And yung pinag-usapan namin ni Aubrey, dapat maging honest kami sa isa't isa. And ako naman personally, to make it work, to make the love team work, I think there should be genuine care for each other. Lagi yung tinatanong yung isa't isa, kamusta kayo, okay ba kayo? Kasi ako, I'm not being a gentleman to her because of the cameras, because I just want to, like, gusto ko makita ng mga tao yun. Ayoko nung ganung mindset. I'm doing these things for her kasi inaalagaan ko siya. Gusto ko siyang protektahan.
Wait, can I add? Kasi siguro kami nila Trisha, nila Kaya yung nakakapita, you know, yung ng storya ninyo. Can I just add? Pwede ba ako magsalita? Okay ka na?
Okay.
Pwede ba? So, like, walang halong showbiz. You know, si Lance, sinahatid si Aubrey sa bahay. Kahit madaling araw na yan or something. Kahit galing labas tayo. You know, he really takes care of Aubrey. And nakakatuwa kasi genuine. You know, like, hindi lang dahil sa trabaho, kaya yun nga, sinasabi ni Lance. And si Aubrey, nakakatuwa kasi parang nakakita na siya ng partner niya. Alam mo yun, yung nag-safe space niya na, isipin mo, ang tagal namin kasama si Aubrey lang mag-isa. So ngayon, nakita niya na this person, this guy, can actually be his, can actually be her shoulder, and, I don't know, something, anyways, nakakatulig silang dalawa, yun lang yung sumasagot. Yun lang yung ending ng sinasabi ko. They like each other. Like, they're good, you know, like, they're good for each other, they take care of each other, nakakatuwa kasi sobrang genuine, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evan. I love you. For me naman, basta kami nila, ang usapan talaga namin, clear lahat. Like, clear yung goals namin, kung yung gusto namin, kakainis. Clear yung goals namin, and yun nga, may mga boundaries din. And what I like about him naman kasi, attentive siya sa mga small details. Like, napapansin niya if I'm not comfortable na, so he'll ask me parang kung... At saka may times, madalas talaga, nag-aaway kami. Pero hindi ko rin detail yung why. Basta yun, pero parang siguro mas dun nagiging strong yung namin, working relationship namin. Kasi mas nakikilala namin yung isa't isa na mas nalalaman namin na okay, so Obs, you're not okay with this and he's not okay with this, ganyan. So yun, basta for us, like clear lang yung goals namin and we're genuine to each other. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Thank you.
How about Abby and DJ?
Clear ko lang po, hindi po kami
Yeah, pero I'm learning a lot. And ngayon lang kami nag-meet ni PJ. So...
Ngayon ko lang din sila na-meet lahat.
So, hindi namin maalam. Pero we're learning a lot from our ates and kuyas. Yeah, thank you so much. Ayun.
Parang tanda ko doon.
Ayun, agree naman ako sa sinabi din. Nasabi naman na nila lahat. Agree ako sa sinabi.
Alright, thank you. Richard Bagligaw. And up next is Ana Pingon ng Pika Pika at Abante.
Hello, hi guys. Kay PJ tsaka kay Lance. Kasi itong buong Unibarkada, kilala na namin from book 1 sa mga press cons. Pwede ba namin malaman ang showbiz journey ninyong dalawa? Kung paano kayo nag-end up dito sa Avenue of the Diamond?
Nagulat na lang ako kasi may inquiry daw for audition for Haze. And hinarap ko yung opportunity. Alam ko naman yung role ko as bisexual din. Inisip ko lang, sana mabigyan ko yung mabigyan ko ng hustisya yung role. Ayun, kasi...
Pero saan ka galing? I mean, nag-artista ka na ba before?
Yes po, I'm under Diva na rin po before. Ayun, nag-act din na rin ako. Actually, nag-Viva Max din ako before, pandemic. Yeah, and ayun, I'm glad na nakaalis agad din ako. Kasi, to be honest, stepping stone lang din naman siya. Wala naman ang tatagal sa ganung genre ng film. And I'm glad na nabigyan ako ng opportunity ni Direk Gino and mga bosses natin sa Viva. So, ayun.
Okay. Si Lance, kumusta yung showbiz journey mo? Paano ka nagsimula?
Nagsimula po ako sa bahay ni Kuya. Naging ex-housemate po ako sa PBB dati. Then, for 5 years, I was in another network. And now, I'm really happy that I found a new family. Sila. I found my partner. And actually, it's a blessing in disguise kung paano mo nakuha itong role na to. Because being part of Viva was never really in my plans dati. Because I never thought of it. Ganun. So when it was parang, I wouldn't say offered, but it parang, ano ba? Sige, sabihin na natin offered nila. Nag-audition po ako for the role, and I just made sure na ginalingan ko. And I'm really blessed and thankful sa binigay sa akin opportunity ng Viva, ni Direk, and ng mga bosses, lahat ng staff. Really grateful for them. And thank you rin po sa tiwala niyo sa akin. I won't let you guys down, I promise you that.
Kay Aubrey naman. Aubrey, nakilala kita. Mahiyaing ka talaga, no? Nakaka-book 4 na. So, kumusta na ngayon yung self-confidence mo? Paano nakatulong tong university series sa'yo?
Napakalaki na po yung improvement ng pagdating po sa confidence po, pagiging confident. Nakatulong yung series mo sa akin, especially the cast, para mas makilala yung self ko, mas ma-experience yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko maisip na gagawin. You know, to party in a club, to do those kind of things, at madami pang iba. Like, I'm really grateful sa kanila. Kasi nabigyan ako ng chance to explore everything. Na sa sarili ko, like, I'm really scared po kasi. Dahil nasanay ako, I'm introvert. So nasanay ako na dito sa comfort zone ko lang, dito lang talaga ako. But because of them, mas lumawak yun. Mas din naka-help sila na ma-boost yung self-confidence ko at maging kung ano ako ngayon. Like, yeah, kung masasabi ko, kung i-rate ko man yung self ko na kung gano'n ako confident, like 10 out of 10.
Wow.
I really wanted that. And I'm really, yeah, thank you po. And sabi ko kay Direk, like, I'm really ready for this. Wow. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Guys, palakpakan naman natin si Aubrey kasi actually, we can all say na she's taking her job seriously kasi finally for the first time naka-experience siya ng plastic bag sa mukha na soda.
Anyway, where's...
Ay, hindi ba? Hindi. For the first time, kasi si Sam is a party girl. So sabi namin, Sam, you need to know how to drink. You need to know how to Tapos ginawa niya talaga.
Well, nalasing ako, guys. I had to like vomit sa buong sa plastic bag. Explain ko lang din. So sinuot ko yung face ko. Like,
and make sure na nasa safe space ka, nakasama ka.
Yeah, and grateful naman ako sa kanila kasi inalagaan nila ako. And natatandaan ko lahat. Minake sure naman nila na I'm comfortable pa rin kahit gano'n. And I had fun. Good thing, na-apply ko na siya. Kasi may mga, di ba, Direk? Like, yesterday, may eksena kami na kailangan drunk ako. And yun, pinaalala ni na Marco, ni na Heaven, ni na Lance na, yung nangyari noon, gawin mo lang ulit. So yun, it really helped me talaga na mas magampanan pa yung role ko. Hindi lang sa personal life. Nakaka-help sila para mailabas lalo yung character ko.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you po.
Isa na lang bonus question. Kasi kanina ko pa tinitignan yung kamay ni Lance. Hindi dumidikit sa likod ni Aubrey. Sa book 5 kaya, pag nag-press pa ng book 5, nakadapo na kaya yan, parang kay Heaven at kay Marco.
Actually, pwede naman po eh. Thank you po.
Alright then. Okay, so next, it's Vito Santos, a content creator. Vito Santos.
Good afternoon po sa lahat ng cast and crew and Direk Chino and cast. So, my question po is for Direk. So, how was the process po of getting along with this big cast, and also how faithful yung pages of the diamond sa book? And gusto ko na rin po i-ask kay Lance and kay Aubrey kung meron ba silang parang natatakot or na-pressure dahil yung kasunod or bago to is yung Mutya Section E and sobrang successful. Yun. And ano na rin yung ginagawa nilang proseso on the roads. Thank you.
Ako, I came in after Directed. So Rain was already established and I was going in not knowing anyone. And then I met Krisha, Jerome first, and then exact same area, I met the whole cast. And okay yung experience ko with them because they're very giving, they're very alive, and you know, they bring me back to my younger self. And ang saya kasi collaborative kami lahat. Also, I had a movie with Heaven and Marco, and I really got to know them well. And now, si Aubrey and Lance, and you know, we hang out. We really hang out, and that's one of the strongest things that, you know, this university series have. They have unity, and they have, they really like collaborate with one another. And ang saya kasi masaya lang sila, but they know their character. They know how to work, and they also know how to play. So that's the good balance that everyone has to have. And in terms of the process now, you know, we're just really being faithful with the book. With Safe Skies, I was also faithful, but of course, ginawa ko cinematic pa rin, diba? We of course, yung binabasa ng mga readers, it's in their head, and it's my job to execute it audio-visual. So, of course, maging bigger na yung series in terms of visual and in terms of locations and kung saan mapupunta yung mga characters natin. But again, we always think about the audience, and that's you guys. So, ayun, Lance, Aubrey, your turn.
Thank you so much.
So with regards to the success of Mutya ng Section E, actually all of us are really happy for them. Kasi mas nakikilala ng Viva One, mas nag-expand na yung reach namin globally, and I think it's a really big win for Viva. Parang panalo ng isa, panalo na ng lahat eh. And I think it's good pressure for the both of us to like sustain the hype of Mutya ng Section E. Kaya mas ginagalingan lang namin para mas paano rin po, mas makikilala talagang Viva globally. Mas makilala globally.
Yun nga, add ko lang, yung some of the cast ng Mutya ng Section E are friends talaga. So, yung pressure, like yung sinabi nila, good pressure siya. Siyempre, kailangan namin galingan. Always naman, kailangan namin galingan. Pero, I don't think na kailangan i-compare ang, Mutya ng Section E and University Series because it's... No, I mean, it's really a different, kasi high school sila and college kami, and different rin talaga. But ayun, I'm really happy for them sa success na naabot nila kasi some of the cast, like kasama ko lang din sila before sa other projects, and sabay-sabay lang kami nag-dream na, maging successful yung projects namin. And right now, ayun, nandun na sila, and kami naman, we're hoping na maging ganun din, ganun ka-successful. And yun nga, katulad sinabi ni Lance, yung success ng isa, success na ng everyone sa Viva, kasi isang family naman kami dito. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Paul, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. That officially concludes our media conference for Avenues of the Diamond. Thank you to everybody who joined us today, our esteemed media partners, creators, fans, and the entire team behind the series. Again, don't forget to download the Viva One app and subscribe so you may experience